All right, welcome everyone. Late Lego Monday. Sorry about the lateness of the video. I just sort of got sidetracked today and honestly forgot about y'all. I hate that. Nothing personal, just sort of, it's a holiday today and I'm off work and it sort of threw all my plans. I thought I had more time than I did. But as you can see, we're going to do another of the Lego brick sketches, just Iron Man. I've had this one sitting around for a few months, and I figured doing the Miles Morales one was fun, so I figured I'd give this one a go too. And I know now from the views of last week's videos that y'all do not want real-time builds, so this one's going to be another one of the sped-up things. Let's see what we got. Instruction manual and almost empty bag. So that's basically 2 bags. We need to put it all together. So I will take a minute, knoll this out, and do the high-speed thing and throw some music behind it. Talk to you at the end. All right, there we go. Get my mic back over here. I like it. Little, if I can. I think it looks good. Nice 3D rendering of old Iron Man. I don't know if I lost that piece or just they didn't ship it, but I was definitely short one of those little angled pieces over here, but it still looks okay. I had a smooth one I popped in there. I didn't have another one of the angled ones. I got the stand on the back so you can sit it on your desk, or you can hang it up with a little hole. I think it looks pretty good. Simple, fun little build. Honestly, I think they were about to discontinue this one when I bought it because it was on sale for like $8 or $10. So I don't know if it's still available or not, but I think, if you're an Iron Man fan, I think it's worth the build. Nice, fun little build. Looks pretty good. And that being said, I'll wrap it up. And tomorrow, honestly, I haven't decided what I'm going to do this week. I'm thinking, let's see, I did Star Wars last week. I think it's time to do some more Masters of the Universe. I think I'll do more Listen, it's been a while since I've done G.I. Joe too. I don't know. You'll just have to tune in. I might have to. I got something in mind. I might try something a little more obscure than the big boys, but like I say, tune in tomorrow and find out. And if you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe because I got quite a ways to go yet. Thanks for watching, everybody.